Gold has come back to the critical support levels at 1800, and yes, it has failed to drop well below these levels. Now what is going to happen next week? Are we going to look forward to a reversal, or it is going to break this and enter into a bearish territory? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. I share my daily update on gold twice a day, one with the Asia session and one with the US cash session. So do press the bell icon. And those who are interested in other commodities and indices, including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Germany FTSE and India Index, as well as gold, silver, crude oil and natural gas, can also watch the other analysis as well. Now look at the weekly charts for gold. See, it has completed this journey, and this was the sideways movement. We have seen gold trading in between this zone, that is precisely 1836, now 1836, and here it is at around 1760. So it is come back to this zone, and I'll be watchful of this, how it behaves here at 1836 and 1760 levels. So either it tries to fall back again, rise again and trade above 1836 1850 levels, or if it breaks past this zone, we can consider this as a considerable bearish move, which will try to bring gold into bearish territory, and it will fall back below 1700 soon. Now look at this. Also, one more observation is, this is the long term drops we have seen on gold, and 1800 now is appearing to be a stronger support. With that as support, see, gold has always seen a higher highs and trading in this channel on the weekly chart. So yes, if it sustains above 1800, bounces back from here, we may see it soon coming this week at around 1850 1860 zone, which is going to be a little resistance. Once it breaks past 1860, you can expect that it is going to fly high again 1900 and above levels. Else, on the downside, till the time it trades between the zone 1860 and 1800, one can expect that below 1800 definitely there could be a sharper fall, which will try to bring it again till towards 1700 levels soon. If not this week, next week it may try to achieve these levels. But this is just on the weekly charts. Let's have a look and see more in detail what could be expected. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will find that it has bounced back nicely from these levels at 1800s, and yes, if you see it trading below 1800 any point of time next week, one can expect that it is going to come back till towards 1770 and 1760 levels. These levels are pretty strong support. You can see previously many a time 1750 has given it a very strong support, 1770 has given it a very strong support. So yes, if it trades below 1800, one can expect that a sharper fall can be expected. Now look at the daily charts. This is just the second candle, second red candle after this a minor retracement or minor green candle. Hence, any drop below 1800 will try to give you equal size of candles, where we have seen almost $30 move, and hence it can try to go back till towards 1780, very first day of the week, and then probably a little retracement or maybe couple of red candles, and then a little retracement can be expected, where it can try to come back till towards 1800 and then the drop. So this is how the bearish moves can be expected. That is what I am observing right now, and any point of time if you see it trading above this zone at 1836, one can again expect that the highs can be at around 1850 and 1860 levels, which are going to be pretty strong resistance for gold there. So this is what we can see on the daily charts. Coming back to the monthly candle, the monthly candle is taking shape here, and in fact on the monthly candle too, it has achieved the low which it was trying to achieve. And with this also, one must not forget that this is the channel in which it is trading since long now. Higher highs and lower lows, couple of breakouts also can be seen here. So a possible drop below 1800 this month will try to take it towards this zone at 1760, and then it will try to break strongly towards 1700. See, it has a lot much to cover also. It can come back till towards 1600 levels. It has already formed a double top, and if you look at this on the monthly charts, we can see what it is trying to form is this, where it can come back till towards 1500 levels, and in fact can drop till and come back in this zone, that is 12 to 1400 dollars. This is the zone which it might try to see in the coming weeks and month if it continues to trade below 1700 levels. So this is a more futuristic view. However, on the near future, in the next week, if you see it trading below 1800, one can go short. The next target is going to be 1780 levels, and yes, below 1780 one can expect 1760 and 1850 to provide a little support. Below that it will try to drop till towards 1700. On the upside, I'll be looking forward for it to break 1836. Above 1836 you can expect 1850 and 1860 levels. But whether the indicators are supportive of a drop, or are we looking to diverge, or we are looking something different on the 4-hour charts or daily charts, let's have a look here. See, on the indicators front, on the 4-hour chart, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Also look at this, the last two candles, despite the drop here, despite the breakout candle here. So this was the breakout, it has seen, so it has seen a support at 1800, but the previous two candles, lower highs and the support here at almost 1808 levels. With that as support, if it see trading above 1815, probably it may try to come back till towards 1830 levels, and this is the zone which I'll be looking forward for it to break, 1830 and 1836. Beyond this, definitely it will fly till towards 1850, 1860 levels. On the 4-hour chart, the directional movement is bearish, it is diverging. The stochastic was trading at bottom, looking to bounce back a little, but it can try to converge again and crossover on the downside. The MACD is running flat and it is trading in a bearish manner. RSI is also oversold. So yes, once it is oversold, one can expect a little bounce back from here, and probably that is what can be seen. Now look at the daily charts, the indicators on the daily charts. If you look at, see, it is trading below the 20, 50, 100 moving average, and there is a crossover between the 20 and 100 period moving average, indicating that now the last 20 days moving average is well below. So there is a near term bearishness in gold which we can see, and this is crossover is of importance. The 100 period moving average is trading flat at 1900, and hence it is looking downwards. Probably we may see a sharper fall in gold in the coming days. Also look at this, the 50 period moving average is also well above this. So yes, trading below 20, 50, 100 moving average, indicating bearishness here on gold. But one must not forget, this is the bottom of the Bollinger Bands here, and these bands at the bottom trying to give it a stronger support. So probably a little retracement till 1850, 1860 cannot be denied, and once it breaks part 1860, it will try to come back till towards 1880, 1900. This is also one part of it, one must not forget. Also look at the gold here. Gold is the directional movement is bearish, it is diverging, indicating bearishness. At the same time, the daily stochastic is oversold here, hence a reversal can be expected. If it continues to trade, gives couple of green candles, one can expect a reversal, else that would be just a retracement and it can drop again. MACD is wide and divergent, indicating bearishness. RSI is also oversold here. Now whenever gold has either gone over bought levels, it is dropped, oversold levels, it will try to bounce, but I'll be still cautious for a couple of days before it tries to take any direction. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you'll find that gold is trading below that 100-week average. So if you see the last 100 weeks, so now in fact the gold is trading below the 100 weeks average here, and that means it is below the last 2 years lows here. And if you look at the 20 period moving average sitting here at 1900, and the 100 period moving average sitting here at 1850 and 100, both coming together at almost 1836, 1840 zone. Hence this zone I will be watchful and cautious of, and probable reversal, probable retracement above these levels can be expected. And if you look at the MACD here, or directional movement is crossing over on the bearish side here, it is divergent, sloping down, hence more bearishness can be expected. Look at the stochastic on the weekly charts, also going oversold, but it can sustain couple of candles because there is a divergence here on this, and with this as divergence, probably we may see a bearish week ahead, and then a bounce back can be expected towards the end. Look at the MACD. The MACD is sharply divergent here, indicating that more bearishness here on gold can be expected in coming weeks. And yes, RSI is also looking downwards. So this is what is on the weekly charts. Look at the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, there is a support here at 1800, and there is a support here at 1820 levels on the monthly charts, breaking above 1820. See, this is also 20 months moving average. 20 months moving average is at around 1820, close to, and this is the middle of the channels out there at 1800, breaking 1800. Yes, definitely a fall can be expected. A lot much of movement can be seen, as 1600 levels and 1400 levels cannot be denied in near future, maybe 6 months or a year down the lane. Also look at the MACD, which is directional movement, which is trying to converge on the monthly chart crossover. See, it is trading since 3 years. It is trading in a bullish territory. It has never come back to on a sell side. Now it is trying to come back on the sell side. Hence, can we say that gold is going to enter into a bearish territory? Possibly, with couple of red candles on the charts, gold will enter into a bearish territory and we may see lower lows here on the monthly charts. Now look at the monthly stochastic. This is also looking downwards and probably indicating more bearishness. RSI is and MACD is also divergent and RSI is also looking downwards here. Considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. So a probable long entry is at around 1824, where you can take a long entry for 1830, 1836, and beyond that we may see 1850 and 1860. If it breaks this, we can expect that it is showing a bullish reversal, which will be like 1880 and 1900s can be seen, but I will be doubtful of this, though the some of the indicators on the minor time frames are trading at the bottom, but on the larger time frame there is still lot much for it to cover up on the downside. So how far this could go on the downside, let's have a look. One can expect that once it drops plus, you can take a short entry at 1798 itself. Below 1798 I'll be looking forward to 1780. So from here, every 10 points till 1750 we have little supports. It can try to bounce back a little from any of these levels, but then once it tries to achieve 1750, it won't be able to break 1824. That is quite possible. Beyond this, if it tries to break, then possibly that should be called a reversal. However, for now it appears that once it breaks past this zone at 1780, we may see it trying to hit 1750 levels, and below that one can expect that it is going to happen 1733, 1701, and below that sky is the limit. It can try to go back till towards 1660. Extreme fall can only do that, and extreme crash can only make it fall $150 in a week. I don't think so that is possible, but yes, 1750s cannot be denied, 1733 cannot be denied, and below that there could be a stronger fall. So take your positions accordingly, and yes, if you want to earn the same expertise, join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on first week of June. The seats are filling fast. Do not miss to book your seats now. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My next also, you can join my VIP signals group, where just by trading as per the signals you can definitely profit. And yes, you can reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My email ID and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great week ahead.